Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to remove your headphones Urbanista Phoenix Solar from the application. So right here, in this application we have no button to remove it, but what we can do. So, the first one, we can put it to the charging case and close the case. And right now, as you can see, we have no devices here. Also, we can go to, now it connected, yeah. We can go to settings, connected devices or Bluetooth if you have iOS. Also, if you have iOS, right here we have settings icon, but if you have iOS, you have information icon. So click on it and we can disconnect or forget, unpair these headphones. It's the same, but I don't want to lose connection, so I choose disconnect. So if we click here and return to the application, we can see that we also haven't connection here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.